Attens Contours Regular are a range of body-shaped pads designed to manage heavy urinary and/or fecal incontinence, and they are worn together with stretch pants. The white backsheet is soft for improved comfort and discretion. Attens Contours Regular has a white waterproof backsheet to reduce the risk of leakage from the pad. The pads are very easy to use. Open the pad fully and gently fold and cup lengthways so that the leakage barriers stand up. Then apply the pad using the correct size of stretch pants to keep the product in place and close to your body. When lying down, you need to feel safe and protected. That is why Attens Contours has soft leakage barriers that give you extra protection, especially when there is a large gush. The core technology in Attens gives you absorption where you need it most, in the centre of the pad. The acquisition layer quickly lets the fluid pass into the core, where fluid and odours are absorbed and locked away, so reducing the risk of leakage and keeping your skin dry. Attens Contours has a wetness indicator running along the centre of the pad. When it has disappeared over half the length of the pad, we recommend that you change the product. After use, simply dispose of the pad